If you're looking for a way to learn trading without risking any money, then this video is for you. Before investing any real money, I recommend practicing first. If you develop your skills and learn proper risk management, trading can become a valuable opportunity in the future. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an Exness account and start trading with a demo account. We'll open an account step by step, and then we'll place some demo trades together. Remember, success in trading depends on discipline, patience, and money management. The less emotional and impulsive you are, the better your chances of becoming a consistent trader. Once you gain confidence and experience through practice, you can decide whether trading with a real account is right for you. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Exness and search for it. Click on the first result, or use the link provided in the video description. Once you're on the website, click on Register. Scroll down and choose to sign up using your Google account. Select the Google account that's already signed in on your browser. Next, you'll be asked to choose your country and create a password. Make sure to select your correct country and create a strong password using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After that, check the box at the bottom and click Create Account. You'll now see two types of accounts, a real account and a demo account. Since we're learning, we'll start with a demo account. Click on Demo Account. As you can see, the account has been created successfully. You'll be able to view your demo balance, available currencies, candlestick charts, and other trading tools. Now click on the 9-dot menu at the top of the screen and select Personal Area. Then click on My Accounts. Next, select Demo Accounts. Click on Set Balance to add virtual funds to your demo account. You'll notice that Exness allows you to choose different balance amounts. For this tutorial, I'll set the balance to $100, which is a good amount to practice with and help simulate a realistic trading experience. Now click on the Trade option. You'll see two choices, Exynos Terminal and MetaTrader 5. You can trade using either platform, but today we'll use Exynos Terminal. Keep in mind that most currency markets are closed on Saturdays and Sundays. However, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are available for trading 7 days a week. Since other markets such as gold and major Forex pairs are currently closed, we'll demonstrate trading using Ethereum. For this example, we're using a 1-minute candlestick chart. If I click the Sell button and the market moves down from my entry point, I make a profit. If the market moves up, I take a loss. Similarly, if I click the Buy button and the market moves higher, I make a profit. If the market moves lower, I take a loss. At this stage, don't worry about making money. The purpose of a demo account is to learn how trading works. Practice placing buy and sell orders and observe how the market responds. For position sizing, we're using 0.10 lots in this example. Take your time, practice consistently, and focus on understanding the platform before considering a real account. Trading is a skill, and like any skill, it takes time to learn. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.